Hello everyone, Andarki Namaskaram to everyone. How are you? I feel so happy and privileged to be here tonight. मैं हूँ एक पंजाबी खानदान से, लेकिन मेरे जो माँ बाप हैं दोनों की परवरिश आंध्रा में हुई. My parents grew up in Visakhapatnam. My father grew up in this great city. और जब से मैं आया हूँ मुझे लगता है मैं घर आया हूँ वापस. हैदराबाद की बहुत बातें होती थी बचपन में. So it's so nice to be here with all of you. And I have to say I'm very impressed by your city. I'm from Mumbai और आपकी जो सड़कें हैं, आपके जो लोग हैं, आपका जो खाना है बहुत ही बेहतरीन है. So it's so nice to be here. Lots of love to all of you. I hope all of you enjoy this great film we've made. It's coming on the 26th of August. And I hope to see you, all of you in the theaters. So thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much, Akshay. And it's so lovely to hear that your parents were here in इन्हें उन्टर मीरो.
नहीं ज्यादा नहीं, बिकॉज मेरी परवरिश एक्चुअली जर्सी में हुई है, तो मैं
अच्छा।
अलग अलग तरह का खाना खा चुका हूं एज अ किड. बट सिंस माय पेरेंट्स ग्रू अप हियर, व्हेनेवर दे वर फाइटिंग दे यूज्ड टू स्पीक टू ईच अदर इन तेलुगु.
Wow, so that you don't
So
understand.
that we don't understand what they're fighting about. But yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
but మీరు తప్పకుండా ముద్దపప్పు ఆవకాయ అన్నం తినాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ టైం మా ఇంటికి వచ్చినప్పుడు పెడతాను. See, you learned Kannada for toxic, right?
Yeah.
So any plans to learn Telugu?
Sure, it's a great language. और मैं तेलुगु सिनेमा में भी काम करना चाहता हूँ, so absolutely, I would love to learn some Telugu.
So today I'll teach you Telugu.
You're gonna teach me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Like
Let's
the
try.
tagline says, or they're saying that it's a fairy tale for grown-ups.
Okay, yes,
Okay.
yes.
సో పెద్దల కోసం తీసిన ఒక అద్భుతమైన సినిమా.
పేదల కోసం
పెద్దలు వాళ్ళే పెద్దలు
పేదల
మన పెద్దలు.
కోసం చెప్పన్నా.
పేదలు కాదు
फिर
అవును, పేదలు ధనికులు అందరూ చూడొచ్చు, కానీ పెద్దల కోసం
పెద్దల కోసం
ఉమ్,
చెప్పన్నా
తీసిన
తీసిన
అద్భుతమైన సినిమా.
అద్భుతమైన
సినిమా.
సినిమా.
ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం కలిపి చెప్పండి.
बढ़िया, ठीक है, ठीक बोला.
बहुत ठीक बोला. क्या बात.
Okay.
అందరూ బాగున్నారా?
అందరూ బాగున్నారా?
ఆ, ఇదైతే సూపర్. మరి ఇందులో మీరు టోనీ క్యారెక్టర్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నారు ఇన్ టాక్సిక్. సో వాట్ కెన్ వి ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ టోనీ, ఆర్ హౌ డిడ్ యూ యాక్చువల్లీ లర్న్ और प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस कैरेक्टर?
You know, एक तो मैं बॉस का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, जैसे आप सब हैं, हम सब बॉस के बहुत बड़े फैन हैं. The thing about him is that he's such a proud Indian, and I knew from the get-go कि ये film he wants to make his audience also proud by giving his audience a film that is of an international, global, that we can all be proud of. So I got the responsibility कि यार ये कुछ और करना पड़ेगा मुझे. एक अलग लेवल की पिक्चर है ये. So I got that responsibility, and I didn't want to let him down. I didn't want to let Geetu ma'am down, who I think is one of India's best filmmakers. दोनों का विजन इतना बड़ा था, I got कि मेरे ऊपर क्या जिम्मेदारी थी. But other than that, I have absolutely loved every day of being Tony. जब लास्ट शॉट हुआ था सेट पे, मैं दुखी हो गया था कि मैंने कहा गीतू मैम एक और शॉट ले लो, because I didn't want to stop being Tony. I love the clothes, the look. I hope all of you also enjoy watching Tony as much as you enjoy the film. But there was no real challenge as such in that way, because I was in love with the character and it was just flowing that way. And there was a nice shorthand between me and the director. तो जब वो ट्यूनिंग बन जाती है ना, आपका काम आसान हो जाता है.
करेक्ट, जैसे हमारा और ऑडियंस का बन गया.
Yes, बिल्कुल. I hope so. Yes, बिल्कुल.
हाँ, वैसे ही.
जी.
అరే మనకి హిందీ కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది రో ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో ఏంటో. ఓకే,
I don't know what you said, ma'am,
You know,
but,
I'm like getting the Hindi words also.
Okay.
Thanks to you.
Oh, yeah,
And
please.
anything about the producer KVN sir
Oh,
and
yes,
the production
absolutely,
house?
absolutely. KVN sir, Monster Mind Productions, KVN Productions. Without such a producer and without such a vision of a producer who absolutely loves cinema, you cannot make a film like this. So because KVN sir and Monster Mind allowed for this to happen, we are able to present a film of this quality to you. जो आपने ट्रेलर में देखा है, जो आपने टीजर में देखा है, without a producer like KVN sir, it does not happen. And he's there because he loves, you know, he says it so often कि he's there to make filmmakers and dreamers like our dreams come true, which is what he's doing, which is why his logo is on every big film today. So I wish producers like him higher and higher and higher, because they deserve it. Our industry needs more people like him.
Thank you so much, Akshay.
Thank you,
Looking
ma'am.
forward to seeing you
Thank
in
you
theaters.
so much.
on
Thank you.
August
Namaskaram.
26th.
Thank you.
నమస్కారం అంట, నమస్కారం. నమస్కారం చెప్పేశారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.